Hey guys, it's Jeremy Blanton with Remax Southern Shores, and I'm here with another 2-Minute Tuesday, where this week we're going to discuss the similarities between getting an oil change and getting repairs done at your property when you're selling it. Let's get started. Alright, so this week I wanted to discuss why it is important when you have your home on the market to hire a professional to get your repairs done. There's going to be a home inspection done once the home goes under contract by the new buyers. They're going to go through, they're going to check things. When you have your home on the market, there's going to be that home inspection that's done. There's going to be things that come up. Now, your first inclination is going to be to go and fix all the things and repair them yourself. And some of the things like a light bulb that's not working or an air filter that needs to be changed, those things you can obviously do. But if it is something like an outlet's not working properly, or a ceiling fan's not grounded, or the home, the HVAC system's not working, or an appliance, you gotta hire a professional to do it. And not just any professional, but somebody who's licensed and insured. It is crucial for that person who's coming in that they're licensed and insured to make sure that the work gets done, number one, correctly, and number two, that if something happens after the fact, that it is repaired by someone who can be held accountable for it. It's kind of like if I need an oil change on my car, I could do it myself. I could get the oil, I could climb underneath it, I could empty it out, take the oil away afterwards and put the new stuff in and do it. But I have no clue what I'm doing. I don't know how to put on the oil cap properly. I don't even know how much it goes in, or a filter, or what else you need to do with it. So me trying to do that could do more harm to my car after the fact. If I have it done by somebody who's a professional and something happens later on, I have somebody to go back to if something's messed up with it. So when you put your home on the market, make sure when you get to that point, hire a licensed professional. It may cost you a little bit more money to have that outlet fixed by them, but in the long run, it's going to protect you. In my neighborhood recently, there was a house that had to have some HVAC work done. They hired a company to come in. The guy had to fix a part in the attic and was using a blowtorch to solder it back on, and accidentally caught the insulation in the attic on fire. Caused a lot of smoke damage in the house and a lot of other damage. Luckily, he worked for a company that is reputable, licensed, and insured in the area, and they'll take care of fixing everything up later. So make sure you guys do this in the future and protect yourself when selling your home. Hope you guys liked today's video. If so, make sure to give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and I'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.